Hi everyone, I hope all of you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to talk a bit about deep learning blocks, which is one of the ways in which you can study for UPSC, in the way you can decide and divide your days when you're studying for UPSC. Basically, it's very simple that every day while you're studying, you're dividing your entire studying calendar into blocks, and each of these blocks you have to cut out all the distractions, and you have to create ways in which you can test yourself at the end of each blocks, as well as you can reward yourself. And while doing that, you have to maintain sort of a checklist, by which I mean that while you are executing this deep block learning scheme in a everyday learning technique of UPSC, you are ensuring that you are making a list of it. You are having exact blocks in which you have to study for the entire month. So let me give you an example, it will be easier to understand. Let's say this month I have decided that I want to complete my history syllabus. So I know that I have to do ancient history, medieval history, I have to also do world history and modern history. Now that is obviously not going to happen in 1 month. Let's say you have decided to complete it in 60 days. So in 60-day period, you let's say pick up ancient history first. Now within the chapters, when you go through the ancient history syllabus, you know that there are a very specific topics that you have to study. You have to study the Indus Valley civilization, prehistoric times. After that, the ancient India history, various kingdoms and various kings and various periods come, and you have to study it from an economic, social and political perspective. So when you are making these lists, make sure that you do it in blocks. You decide yourself that I'm going to divide my entire day into let's say 4 blocks, and within these 4 blocks I'm going to study for 1.5 hours each. So that is around 6 hours of studies, and within these 1.5 hours of studies, deep studying, I'm not going to access the internet, I'm not going to access my phone. I'm going to use writing, note making for learning in a deep manner, because if you have your notifications on, you are not going to learn. If you are going to just read and underline your books, you are not going to learn. The way you are going to learn is that you are actually going ahead and making side by side notes. I'm not saying comprehensive notes, but very short keyword notes. You are just making sure that out of 1 page you are taking out 2 or 3 main keywords, main instances, events, date, some important date that is there, just to keep a context in your mind. You know, you don't have to remember the dates, but you can keep a context timeline in your mind, and the names of the important people who are involved in that particular thing that you're reading, or any important event or any important takeaway that is there. So when you divide your learning into these 1.5 hours blocks, and then at the end of each block you come back and revise those particular keywords, those particular instances, those particular key things that you have actually gone through, then it becomes deep learning. You happen to remember those things for a much longer period of time. You happen to recall, you happen to have a good picture in your mind, because in UPSC you are going to be writing answers tomorrow. You are not going to just do multiple choice questions. Your aim is to get through, so you are going to write to answer writing, and during that answer writing you are required to at least have some basic idea, context about what you are writing, so that you can write better answers. So that is one of the very simple techniques that I used. I'm going to make a very detailed video on this and show you exactly how it is done. Till then, goodbye, take care.